What's going on, guys? Today we're talking about how to spend money for marketing. Where should you put your dollars? And the number one question I get asked. But first, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, show a little love. Come on now. Did you do it yet? Don't make me wait here all day. Just hit the freaking button already. Jeez Louise. All right, what's going on, guys? My name is Chris Chan, the founder and CEO of Active Age Daytime Senior Care. And a question I often get asked, and people are like, Chris, so what should I do for marketing? Like, I only have X number of people in our center, and it's been 3 months now, and we're just not getting the traffic. What should I do? And my number one question back to them is, how much money are you spending on Google Ads? And the number one response I get is zero. Goose egg. Like, why? Why are you not spending money on Google Ads? Like, I don't understand. I literally do not understand it. Like, the number one area I would put all of my energy and attention initially before I open is Google My Business listing, making sure that I have a really good presence on there, and then I'm continuously posting onto Google My Business, okay? And that all the information that needs to be on there is on that page. Number two is I'm gonna go and if I can't hire a company, or if I haven't found a company to work with, then I myself am gonna go and understand and learn how to make myself a Google Smart ad, okay? And what this is it's your ability to go in there, and it simplifies the advertising process, and you can go in there and create your own Google ads. You can select a defined area that you wanna advertise your services, and come up with the different titles and descriptions of the ads that you want. And you can start advertising your services in that market within a 5, 10, or 15 mile range of your target area. There's a lot of things you can do with this, but the thing is, most people don't take advantage of that. And you should be spending at least 50% of your budget on Google Ads, because at the end of the day, you can put money into all sorts of other things. You could put money into magazine ads, newspaper ads, a commercial, Facebook social media ads. You could do a direct mailing campaign. But at the end of the day, the beautiful thing about Google Ads is that people are searching for your services. So that means that when someone comes across your webpage, or when someone comes across your Google My Business listing through your Google ad, it was because they were looking for adult day, which means that they're a qualified lead already because they were interested in your services. But if you're spending money on direct mail, you could send out 1,000, you could send out 5,000 and 10,000 direct mailers. But if they all go to homes of people that do not need adult day services, then that was a complete waste of money. I would much rather spend the money on somebody that I know for sure is looking for my services than I would to just throw my crap everywhere. Okay? Because if people aren't looking for those services, or they're not in need, they're not going to engage with whatever you might send them. If someone's not taking care of their loved one, if someone's not taking care of their spouse, their husband, their wife, and they get a pamphlet in the mail, it's as if they never saw it. It's gonna go in the trash faster than they ever even spent time to process what it is. So it's very important, and people get so hung up on this, and I think they think there's a magic formula. But number one, Google Ads. Number two, community or business development. Building relationships with local providers in the community that are your target demographic, and continuing to build that relationship with those neurologists, gerontologists, other primary care physicians, discharge planners, social workers, case managers, developing those relationships. That's it. Google Ads and that is all you need to spend your time, energy, and effort on. If you just did those two things over and over and over and over every single day for a year, you would get the results that you desire. But if you don't, and you keep thinking there's a magic pill, you are going to continue to wander the forest aimlessly with no results. And you're gonna continue looking and seeking that person that has a new idea, because the dopamine hit from that new idea is more rewarding than actually doing the work and seeing real results. So there is no quick fix, there is no magic formula, there is no magic pill. You gotta do the work, but it can at least start with the smartest place to put your money, and that is Google Ads. And look, put your money on Google Ads and then retarget those through social media. What does that mean? That means I put most of my money on Google Ads, and then I might spend money on social media, but the money I spend on social media is retargeting the people that found me on Google, right? So they clicked on Google, they clicked on my webpage, they went to my webpage, I put a little pixel on the computer like a little spy. I put, you know, a little spy in their computer, and now I follow them around on social media. And I spend money through retargeting, but I don't just spend money aimlessly on social media. So if you haven't already, you know, get with someone who's an expert in this field, get an idea of how you want to distribute your budget, but put a large portion of your dollars towards Google Ads. And I think you're gonna see a massive improvement. Make sure you update your Google My Business listing page. Take advantage of all the free resources Google has to offer, but that is the #1 place to be. And if you're not on Google, if you're not found on Google, then no one's gonna find you. That's how people search. It's 2022. It's about to be 2023. You should know this. Like, anyone that did this back in 1997, and like you may want to question, you know, whether or not that advice still applies. But it is 2022. There's a lot of tools available to us. Make sure you're using the right ones. We'll see you on the next one. If you're interested in starting your very own adult day center, go to adcpro.com. Join us for our monthly free webinars. Join us on our private Facebook group. Make sure, if you are interested at all in owning your very own Active Age, go to activeagecare.com/franchise. We'll see you on the next one.
Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you'd like to learn how to open your own adult daycare center, go to adcpro.com. If you'd like the latest business tips, click here, and make sure you subscribe to our channel, click here. We'll see you guys next time.